Oh well, what's going on, guys and girls? I am out on a motorcycle ride to begin the 2024 riding season, I guess, way to put it. I'll be riding to Radnor Lake in Nashville. It's a Tennessee State Park. Has some hiking trails. It's a really neat area. I'm gonna go check out. GoPro stop recording. No, you really shouldn't park in a electric vehicle spot unless you're charging. Goofy people. So this is Radnor Lake. Very popular. Probably best if you come here to come on a motorcycle because they have dedicated motorcycle parking. Ooh-wee. Gotta back up.
The nest with the mom on, I think there's an egg still she's roosting on, or that might be the dad.
Where's that?
And then straight across, you can see with your naked eye first the big nest.
Okay, is that the wood up in the trees?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, and you see a white head in the nest.
Oh yeah, I see the one up on the limb.
And then one just flew to a tree. If you move the binoculars to the left, you can see another eagle in the tree.
Yeah, I saw that. See the one up in the tree. Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Oh, they're gorgeous.
Aren't they?
They are cool.
Yeah.
Very pretty. So the mom's garden. That may be her mate.
It may be.
So far away. So there's the nest, the little one in there, or the parent. Oh, that's zoomed in all the way. Closed area. Bald eagle nesting area. Protected by law. Oh, look at this. They're serious. Yep. So the parking here is less than ideal for as many visitors as it gets. Unless you come during the week. Today is Saturday. And first nice day in quite a while.